Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to scan a YouTube TV QR code so you can sign in fast and start watching. Let's jump in. First, turn on your smart TV or device with YouTube TV. On the screen, there should be a QR code displaying something like "Scan to sign in" or "Go to tv.youtube.com/activate." On your smartphone or tablet, open the Camera app or a QR code scanning app if your device doesn't support scanning via camera. Point the camera steadily at the QR code. Make sure it's in focus and the whole code fits in view. When the code is recognized, a notification or link should appear on your phone saying something like, "Open this link" or "Sign in to YouTube TV." Tap that. It will usually take you to a site, often tv.youtube.com or another Google/YouTube activation URL. Sign in with your Google account, email, and password. After successful login or activation, your TV should refresh or automatically move from the QR code prompt into your YouTube TV interface, signed in. If the QR code doesn't scan, check lighting. Too dim or glare makes QR codes hard to read. Clean your camera lens or try using the manual linking URL. It might be shown on screen. Sometimes codes expire, so you may need to generate a new one. Go back to the sign-in screen on TV, and that's it. Scanning the QR gets you signed in fast. If this helped, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment your device if you need help.